and today we're going to be learning about the colors.
Ooh.
So everybody, if you're watching this, you can say the colors if you want, because I'm going to ask you, what color is that? What color is this? What color is this? What color is this? What color is this? What color is this one? What color is this? What color is this one? This one is this one and this one.
If they don't know the color, now it's time for you to teach them.
Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pink, gray, black, brown.
Nice. High five. Okay. So we're moving towards emotions and feelings.
First, this is happy.
So tell us about happy. How do you know when you're happy?
I know when I'm happy because I like good things. Because I'm really, really happy right now to teach you.
Nice. So which one is this? I like how you said that one.
Excited.
Oh, what does it mean to be excited?
It means like you be excited like your cake is ready, or like you like pancakes with strawberries and everything.
All right, so what's your next one? Show us another feeling that you often could relate to.
And every time when I go to my mom's house, my dog always bite my toys. Like simple, I always get mad.
And that's the feeling of being angry. Angry. There you go. High five.
And this one is being sad.
Tell us about sad. You were saying that you got a B minus?
But I only got one B minus, but I got 3 A's.
Nice.
Next.
And why that made you sad that you got a B minus? Because sometimes a B minus could be good.
That made me sad because I don't like the letter B, I like the letter Z.
Oh. All right, so you moving on. And A.
This one. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49.
Let's go. This is the days of the week and how. Sing your song. Show us how you did that just now.
Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. I'm saying it in Spanish.
Ooh, I like that. He ain't saying it in Spanish, but y'all catch his drift. Let's go. This is the month
of the year.
Let's go, kid.
March, April, May, June, July,
August, September,
October, November,
December.
December.
Yeah!
I got 1 and I got 6. That would make it 7.
Uh-huh.
But if I add a minus, I add 1 and 6. I'll just take away 6. And now we just have 1.
There you go. Oh, I like that. See, you hit that on top of the head.
And how about I say, if there was 2 of me, actually no, if there was me and 3 children, how many would that add up? 4. How about I say, when I had 2 toys, 5 toys, and I had 10 more toys, 16.
Ooh, I like that. Easy.
And then if I had 9 and 4, that would be too hard, but we could use a number line.
Number line.
9,
10,
8, 7, wait, no, it's backwards. 9,
10, 11, 12, 13.
No, it's 14.
14.
So the number is 14. And now, we already know.
It's
3
crazy, huh?
minus 6.
3 minus 6 is 3.
Exactly.
Good job.
Now, next off is this again, because I had to start it.
You stopped at 50.
No, I started.
51.
No, 52.
Okay, 52.
53, 64, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68. That's a 67, right?
Yeah.
68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 90,
80.
81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 90. I will do my eyes closed with this one.
Alright.
91, 92,
He's showing off.
93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100.
Ooh.
101, 102. I know 101 and 102, but I said that's not easy. Now,
So show us some of your favorite toys that's here. Or the toys that you got today. Show them the set that you got today. And hold on, you got the box too. Hold on.
my dad had to do something, so we are just going to wait. And then when my dad called me, he's gonna hold it right now. So peace out, A-Town. It's upside down, guys, and watch. I said, Potter, okay, we're going more on the. Ready? Hello, guys. My name is King. From the video that I was teaching you something, but not posted yet. So this one's not posted yet either. So.
This is your part 2 to your toy video.
And then the other toy, and then the other video that is third is gonna come out. It's gonna come out today. That is gonna be Garden of Banban, chapter 3. And now I'm gonna show you my toys.
Ooh.
These are the Garden of Banban toys.
Oh.
These are gonna be the monsters that are gonna attack my human toys.
Oh.
So, if one of them got beaten, but if all in one, that means you have to subscribe to me, and you have to ask everybody to subscribe to me so I can get 1 million buttons.
Ooh, he gotta go, y'all. He already got some goals. So now open your toys. Show them. Show them your toys. Show them your Garden of Banbans. It could be inside.
Wait, guys, look. Look, guys. I'm Bobby Josh, bro. Someone Josh is in the back, so I just see that. Hey. Okay. God, I'm okay. Don't even think about calling 911. Okay. So now I'm going to introduce you to Jumbo Josh, bro.
Oh.
I'm Jumbo Josh, bro. I'm just saying the game call. Okay, Daddy?
All right. I'm letting you rock. Do your thing, Bobby.
Now we got this. So when she turns back, you can move, but it will be like the same thing, okay? So watch. I'm gonna get Tails. When she looks blonde like this, guys, like me, Tails is moving right now. Now when her eyes are straight, but if you keep moving, yum yum yum. And now this is the hand guy that will come in part 5.
Oh, show them, get them a clear picture of him. I didn't see him. Show him again. Let them see him. Oh, he got eyes on both of his hands. That's scary.
And he could pick up things really heavy.
Oh, heavy.
Now, this is the scary one.
Ooh.
Well, he's actually nice, but he's scary.
Wow.
Okay, now, I don't even know his name. Everybody, if you know his name, put it on the comment, okay?
Oh, leave it in the comments.
Now, this guy name is, I don't even know his name. I only know Jumbo Josh, bro.
Oh, he know it's Jumbo Josh, bro.
This is the guy that eats sweets. You know that guy that had the party hat on his head? That's him, but he looks different from that. Now, wait, did I show that one? I think that's it. Wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, that is 6. Well, bye-bye. The 3rd video is going to come today.
Tune in, subscribe.
Yep. My dad had to do something, so we are just going to wait. And then when my dad called me, he's going to hold it right now. So, peace out and ciao. It's upside down, guys, and watch. I said, "Park talk." Okay, we're going to learn about.